finally found my first celebrity here.
Oh, come on. A few of those guys were here. I think they experienced some RUD, some rapid unintended disassembly of parts.
Yeah.
Give you a plethora of different vehicles to look at. The starting line is a perfect example. That is John McCann. Two sides. Bellahar, who's also a veteran Dragon driver. So Bellahar in 857, good run there for him. The clock's on for you. Cadillac Motel 6 with the lights on. So Devin may have loaded in a little bit extra spicy tune-up as the car went 710 at 206 miles an hour out the back door last time. Let's see what something like that. Looking at that suspension, man. Look at how they hook. What was the fashion? Like when you have a supercharger that's either even with or above the roof line, that's all it is. So I think the guy starts sweater coming up next. So Firebird over on the left-hand side, then actually Aspirate right looking for another 10-second shot down the racetrack. That is Drew Gluick. I will officially say to you and for some people, and all of them were described right, checkpoints, and I'll tell you what, it is very brutal on you, not only the car, but entry. Stuff that's all around it on the license plate on the back. It says for Russell in honor of Russell, his family member. Blue 10-second Mopar. Let's see if the right call was made on Westworks pickup truck to get from A to B. Look at him shake the tires. Just, oh Lord. You can look at that right-hand side and just see how the tires are bouncing around. Paulie C to the finish line, 10:29 and 1:20. Top end turn. 10:22, 1:31 for the Camaro. That'll bring the Terminator cover back. Look at the license plate on this one. It says, what wine? Meaning, are you whining soybean? As both of them will complete the pass, 1071 and 93. On the right side, 1084, 127 left side. Ethan Hassler running a lot of time on the 1084 at 134 miles an hour for the caddy. Delta to the safety lane, please. D group. Delta will take you to the safety lane, please. Keep in mind, lane number 1 is for inbound/quarantine cars, so do not come to lane number 1. This is what kilometers in performance. So once again, we would have to do something to consider all of these great companies that are sponsoring and making this event possible. It takes a lot of people and a lot of different moving parts to make this rolling circus show happen. From Alex Corella, who unfortunately, the Ginger Red car, one of our winners from last year, he got one of the coveted orange helmets. Tony Angelo absents the property to the right-hand side. We'll send our next pair, and we're giving the all-clear sign. Chevy Camaro gets a 71. And all the money back.
permission to do this. So
Because most places that run a 235 tire only do it to the 8th level of time. So the car will start to put the power into the rear.
all right, bud, there it is. Blazer builds, got it all signed. Well, thanks for stopping to say hi. Thanks for watching the channel, and I appreciate the offer. That's really cool you let me do that.
If anybody has a handbrake solo from Powerglide, if anybody has a if you don't know where to find them, you come to the second floor of the tower, get the first door on your right up the stairs, and I will get the words over. So here in Corvette LS horsepower in Monte Carlo, the stock, the 2011 Crown Victoria over on the opposite side with the hijacker, like a alongside sand dune instead. Pedal it because the front end was in the air, the wheels were turned. It was real close to starting to move left. And you had to give it a quick pedal.
All right, we're leaving now. We are kind of smoked. Us Wisconsin people don't do good in this Florida weather. So that was kind of cool. Got to see a bunch of cars. Got to meet a lot of people. It's cool because you see a lot of people there that you know and they don't really know you, and I don't really like to bug them very much, especially knowing that they're having a really busy week and they're just trying to work on stuff. I don't want to be that guy that's like, hey guys, stop everything and talk to me. But it was kind of cool. I did actually have a few people that recognized me and then stopped just to say hi. The one guy asked me to sign his dashboard on his car, so that was pretty cool. And overall, the last day of the event seemed pretty good. They said about 80 cars fall out. Usually about 25% of the cars fall out. So they said it was about 80 people. The cars didn't make it. This type of event actually seems pretty cool. I would maybe be interested in doing something like this someday, but we'll see. I'm going to end it here. My neck is burned. And so are the back of my legs, but I'll live.